What's your middle initial?
It's R.
R? Really? Because it was O and then it was L. So you're going to jail.
On June 20th, 2023 in Washington, police were dispatched about a shoplifting in progress.
Hey, police, come here. Police, come here. Police department.
I probably did steal something.
Can I get in your car?
Let's see, yeah, let's do that.
She was trying to evade me. She went westbound behind the Circle K. I had a guy in motion that she went northbound behind the building, but I haven't seen her. I think she might be hiding closer to us. Closer down. Hey there, Mount Vernon Police, stop right there. Stop. She's right here. Hey, what are you doing? Stop. No, hey, stop, 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 stop. Hey, hey. Stop.
Stop fussing
Stop
me.
it.
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm an officer of the Mount Vernon Police Department.
You scared me. I thought you were a stranger.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Sportsman casket. I'm struggling with her behind the store. Put your hand behind your back. You're being detained.
You what for?
Stop. Stop. And relax. Relax.
I thought you were a stranger. I didn't know you were a police officer.
Stop. Just remain calm. Stop. That's not remaining calm. Stop it. Stop. Right now you're going to be under arrest for resisting if you don't stop.
I don't have charges. I don't have charges. You know what I'm being detained for?
4-5 Cascade. We have one in custody.
Who's that one? Yeah.
that was caught in there. There we
I
go.
don't have any charges. Do you know what I'm being detained for? I would like to be released.
No, I know.
I would like to be
I pushed these out to
I
the
don't
edge
have
there.
charges.
Do you have any weapons on you? She was reaching for something when I was over there. I was telling her to stop.
Backpack's over
She
there.
kept reaching. I tried grabbing it, and then she's
I ran the wrong
squirming
way.
all over the place. Thank you.
I ran the wrong way. Soak. Flashlight.
Nothing. Good.
That's not mine.
That's mine.
Okay.
Oh, this is that girl that refused to ID herself from us last summer. Remember her?
No.
She was on Colson.
Oh, yeah.
We never ID'd her.
Okay.
We got a call about her vehicle prowling then, remember?
Hey, just stay still, okay? Stop.
Stop reaching.
Okay.
I got a glove up here to look for John. I'll help you
I
out.
don't feel any weapons yet.
Well, it sounds like I got PC for obstructing, right? At least.
Oh, we have PC for theft, too.
Okay.
I don't have that.
What's your name?
Anna?
What?
Anna?
I can't hear you.
Anna?
Anna?
Last name, Anna.
Anna Hills?
What?
Anna Hills?
Hills?
Like Hills?
Pillars.
Hillers. With an H.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and stand up. You're under arrest.
X-ray 44 Cascade check CAD.
Hold on here for a second.
Hannah Hillers. Hillers spelled with an H. Henry. The white female, about 5 foot. 20.
Lift up your hand for me.
Get anything, just hand it to me.
I'll start this.
Check in a pocket right now.
Half from Dickies.
What?
That's Dickies, that's it.
I can't hear you. Digby?
I'll check you in your bra line with the back of my hand, okay?
I'll follow up at the store here when we
Whose
get a
car
little
is
more.
closest?
Maybe mine right over here.
Okay.
You don't want to go through this jungle. That's
No.
what I just did.
Yeah, that's why I'm all wet. All right, let's
Soaking
go over
wet.
here. Can you just walk with her? I'm going to check over here.
I checked, I didn't see anything, but
You solved the problem, John.
okay. You're just bringing the backpack with.
Oh, yeah. I can take it. We don't have to walk
No,
that
I
far.
got it's.
Yeah.
You get.
I got the hat from Dickies. If you want
Already
to go
walked
to
in
the
with
store.
you.
Digby's?
Dickies.
Where's that at?
It's all the way in Burlington.
In Burlington, huh?
Which one? Why am I being that stupid? To go?
Well, right now for obstructing a law enforcement officer, theft from the country store. Like,
Oh yeah, the hat came from Dickies. The store in Burlington.
okay. Have a seat there for me real quick.
Where was this found?
That was on it.
Oh, perfect.
Does it say country store on it or anything?
I used to work at the country store. That's the country store's brand name. I'm gonna bring it over there.
Okay. Perfect.
It still has this on.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. I didn't just put another country store on it.
Yeah, no, like I said, I used to work at the country store. This is exactly how the UPC codes looked. So,
Okay.
I'll bring that over there. I just want to see if we have anything else too.
Oh, they sell Carhartt too, so.
She's claiming that she bought it at Digby's in Burlington. I don't know what Digby's is. You familiar with Digby's in Burlington? No. I've never heard of it.
I mean, the thing is though, it just looks kind of gross, but it also looks like it was just recently smashed. So,
It was tucked underneath her sweatshirt.
Well, like I was telling him, I used to work at one of their sketch at Farmer Supply, and that's what that looks like. That's what the UPC code looks like.
So I saw her hiding in the bushes. She's like digging with something. It's like, hey, stop right there. You know, what are you doing? And she keeps going, goes further into the bushes. Like, hey, stop. And then she just starts wrestling away from me. I thought she was getting a weapon or something.
Yeah.
I looked.
We both looked.
There's nothing with the name on it.
Alright.
Ask for her date of birth.
Okay. I'm going to advise you of your rights, okay? Just so you know, we're being recorded on my body camera. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him or her be present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yeah, will you help my hand?
What's wrong with your hand?
It didn't get come on all the way.
It what?
The handcuff didn't get come on all the way. Will you help me?
Which one are you talking about? Hey, can I get some help? Her hand's kind of slipped a little bit.
What?
Her hand slipped out of the cuff a little bit.
Slipped out. Slipped out?
Yeah.
Trying to slip out.
Well, she said that it didn't get put on all the way, but there we go.
Okay, yeah, we'll decide about that.
Thank you. It didn't
Yep.
get come on all the way. It hurt really bad.
Okay.
I thought we got it tight. Yeah, so did I on the other side. I think we went for the same gauge.
Okay. Make sure it's locked. It's okay. I'm gonna make sure they don't get any tighter, but they are loose enough right now. Do you understand each of the rights I read to you?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, having them in mind, do you wish to speak with
I'm
me?
gonna run over to
Yeah,
the store.
I don't
Okay.
mind.
They have really good cameras over there. Is it going to show them, or is it going to show you putting a hat underneath your shirt?
No.
Okay, what were you doing over there?
I was looking for scissors. They said they didn't have any, and I was looking for extra clothes because it was getting kind of cold.
Okay.
But I'd already had what they had, so I didn't need anything.
Do you have any method of payment?
Yeah, I have money.
Where?
It is in my left pocket of my jacket.
This jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, left pocket, you said. Can you face that way? Do you have ID on you at all?
No, I have no idea on me.
No ID on you. Okay. And your name was what again? Anna Hiller? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Hiller? And Hannah?
Yeah.
Anna?
Yeah.
Okay. What exactly were you going to buy with $1?
$1? I wanted $1.
That's all that's in here is $1.
I should have more money. Must have. I asked
Okay.
somebody for a cigarette at the store. So
What's your date of birth?
It is December 27th, 1991.
12/27/91.
Uh-huh.
Okay. 4-2 Cascade. Can you check subjects in CAD, date of birth 12/27/91? Be a white female in her 20s. How old are you?
I am 29.
And what year were you born in?
1991.
Okay. So if you're born in 1991, you'd be at least 31 years old.
1991? No, I wouldn't.
Yes, you would. It's currently 2023. So you'd be at least 31 years old.
Oh, well, I've been telling the guys I was younger. So I don't even know.
Alright, listen to me. If you give me a fake name and a fake date of birth, again, I'm going to charge you with a felony for criminal impersonation.
Oh, I didn't give you a fake name.
Okay. So your date of birth is 12/27/1991.
Yeah.
And how do you spell your first name?
A-N-N-A.
A-N-N-A. And your middle initial?
L.
O?
Yeah.
O like octopus.
No, L.
L. So Anna L. How do you spell your last name?
Hiller.
Where's your casket? I'm being told her last name is Hiller, Hiller. First, Adam, Nora, Adam. Middle, L, Lincoln. Okay, then just stay here for a second. How come you started running away from me when I said police stop?
I thought you were a stranger.
David 19 Cascade.
You looked right at me and I'm in full uniform.
I didn't see you.
Racing.
I just thought you were some crazy man attacking me. I got scared.
When you were in the front of the store and you looked right at me and I was in this uniform and I said police?
I didn't see you.
Okay.
Received. I'll keep checking the area.
Well, I think you're lying to me.
Okay. Why aren't you telling us your real name?
I did tell you my real name.
And why don't we have any record of you?
I'm not sure.
Have you ever had a Washington ID or another state ID before?
I have not. I
You've
don't.
never had an ID, but you're 29 years old, you say?
I'm 28.
You're 28.
Yeah.
What year were you born?
1991.
You just told me you were 29.
1992, I think. It's 1992.
That still doesn't, that's the wrong math. That doesn't make you, that you'd be over 30.
Over 30?
The year is 2023. You understand that? You can't even do the math right.
I would be...
If you were born in 91,
Yeah.
you would be turning 32.
That doesn't make sense. I mean, but...
It makes total sense because the year is 2023.
I just
So
thought that I
here's,
was born
so
in
just stop. So you're lying
In 1992.
because you don't even know your own birthday.
I know.
You don't know your age of birthday. You're just lying because you can't even keep the numbers right. So
I
stop
can't.
lying. Tell us your real name.
I just can't remember the date of the year I was born. It was
I've never ran into anybody that doesn't remember
If it was
their year they were
1991.
born. I've never ran anybody in my entire life that doesn't remember their birthday or how old they are.
Well, I know how old I am. I just don't remember if it was 1991.
Well, obviously you don't because you first you said you're 29, then you said you're 28. So you can't even keep that straight.
Well, I'm close to the age of 29. I'm almost 29. Or maybe... I just can't remember if I'm 21.
Okay, so here's how this works. When you don't identify yourself, we take you to jail and we fingerprint you, and you will sit in jail until we get a return on you.
Okay.
So what is your name?
It is Anna Hillers.
Hillers?
Hiller.
Hiller. Are you sure about that? Because now you seem like you're not sure. You said Hillers, and then you said Hiller. First you told me Hill when we were over there in the field.
Well, this Hiller is what it is.
You can't even look me in the eyes when you say that.
Hiller.
Hiller. Hiller.
E-R.
Hiller. Anna. How do you spell Anna?
A-N-N-A.
What's your middle initial?
L.
L. What's your date of birth?
It is December 27, 1992.
December 27, 92. You sure about that? Because even if I ran that, I would get like a near hit. Have you ever been arrested before?
I think it's 1991.
You think it's 91?
Yeah.
Have you ever been arrested before?
I've never been arrested.
Have you ever been contacted by law enforcement before?
Never.
You've never been contacted by law enforcement.
Never.
What state are you from?
Washington?
You've always lived in Washington?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever got any sort of government assistance in any way?
No. This is DSHS.
DSHS stuff? Okay. Do you know your social security number?
Yeah, but I don't know it by heart. I haven't seen it for a while.
So you don't know that. Do you see the problem where we're at? Like, if you just got some chippy warrant or something.
I don't have a warrant.
Okay, I mean, at this point, since we can't identify you, you're going to go to jail.
Well, they should be able to identify me. 1991 is when I was born. But I didn't know if it was 92. I didn't know if I'd forgotten for that long or not. It's been a long time since I had to tell anybody my age. They all just think I'm 18 because I look so cute. And small because I'm tiny. Probably because I'm short.
I'll be honest, you're not talking your way out of this.
I'm not trying to. I just don't want to confuse you. I wanted to tell you what my birthday was and not have you be confused, so that way there's no confusion.
But it doesn't make any sense.
Well, I just, if
And at this point, the store's confirmed that you stole that hat too, so you didn't buy that.
Well, I got mine from Dickies. I have one just like it at Dickies.
From Dickies?
Yeah.
That's not where you told me you bought it earlier.
That's where I got it from.
So you changed that story too.
No, I did tell you it was from Dickies.
Where's Dickies at?
It's in Burlington, right over there.
Why don't you just tell us your real name?
But that is my real name.
Okay. If that's what you're gonna stick with, then we'll just go to jail.
Why did hey?
You won't tell me your real name, so
That is my real name. Well,
we don't have a record of you. So
1991 is when I was born.
but you're 28.
1992.
Okay, that's still 30 years old.
It'll be 30.
30.
I think you're 28.
Listen, I just talked to my sergeant. If we can't identify you, we're going to book you into jail.
Yeah.
Okay?
But at this point,
And that's what we're going to do.
Obstructing and third. They've confirmed that the hat was taken.
Did you try
Yep.
to get
It doesn't
I
make
confirmed
sense
the hat's
if you're
from there,
29
so
or 28. It doesn't make sense. Okay?
Try 1991.
What's your middle initial?
It's R.
R? Really? 'Cause it was O and then it was L. So you're going to jail.
you
You're going to be booked under
Just
Jane
stop
Doe.
it.
Okay?
Full of crap.
You're
You're going to jail.
You're giving me
Stop.
3 different letters for your middle initial. Okay?
It's
Either
R.
you don't know or you're lying, which I find the second one to be much more likely.
It's L is what I said.
You just said R.
I
You
said
said
L.
R. You said O earlier.
Going to jail.
so-
No, I said L.
Alright, I'm done.
It's L. The
Yeah, I forget. I make them all the time too.
Would one of you guys mind impounding this for her?
Yeah, I got it.
Step out of the car. It's not going to prevent you from going into the jail. You're going to have to go into the jail one way or the other. So step out of the car. Here, I'll help you out. Come on.
Oh, wait, stop, stop, stop. Ow, 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 my wrist.
Step out of the
My
car.
wrist hurts.
Okay, here you go.
Ow, that hurts. I'll step out. I will, I promise.
You're not stepping out of the car.
I will, I promise.
You're continuing to resist arrest by not getting out of my car.
You look like you're different than the person that you arrested me.
Nope, I am exactly the same. My body
No,
camera's been on the entire time.
Your face changed. Your face changed.
Get out of the car.
Why did your face change?
Hey, she's refusing to get out of the car. I'm gonna need some help. Come on.
Where are we going?
What?
Where are we going?
Into the jail.
To jail for what?
For you to be booked.
To be booked for what?
For theft, obstruction, and resisting.
I thought you were just releasing me for trespassing.
No, I never told you that. In fact, I told you several times that you're being booked into the jail.
You never told me that.
Alright, step out of the car.
If I'm just, I thought you were,
Step out of the car.
dropping me off for trespassing.
No. You're under arrest. You're getting booked into the jail. Step out of the car.
That doesn't make sense to me because you told me it's just trespassing and it should be just released.
No, I gave you a trespass admonishment for the place you just stole from.
No,
And I told you you were under arrest for theft,
You didn't
obstruction,
tell
and
me.
resisting.
You didn't tell me I was being arrested for theft. And
Okay.
I'm not arrested for theft.
Well, I've told you several times during this conversation that. So get out of the
You
car.
haven't told me that.
Here's the deal. If you don't get out of the car, we're going to have to force you out of the car.
Why can't you just drop me off and give me a trespass?
I'm not doing that.
But you already said that
We can't identify you. You keep lying about who you are and your
You
date of
just-
birth and your age.
I
And
told you
when
I
we
have-
can't identify you and you're under arrest, you go to jail.
You can identify. You did identify me.
I have not been able to positively identify you.
I just told you what
I don't believe what you're telling me because none of it's coming back to an actual person.
It did come back as an actual person. You found it in your computer.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. I promise you.
Listen,
You did. You found me in the computer.
listen.
It's because you said
You're going to
that
have to get out of my car one way or the
it's
other. Do
because
you want to
said
do
that
it
there was
under
no
your own
S and
power?
There is an S.
Listen to me. You're going to have to get out of my car one way or the other.
You said
Stop.
there is no
Stop.
S and there is an S. So
Stop.
That's why.
Stop. Do you want to get out of the car under your own power,
No.
or do you want people to force you out of the car?
I don't want to get out of the car. I want.
Well, you don't have a choice.
Wait, you just said I could go.
You have the choice of getting out on your own, or of people forcing you out.
You said that I could go. You would let me go.
Amber!
What's your last name?
Amber Osborne.
That's not my
Osborne?
name.
Yep.
Who is that?
Sergeant Kelly.
Can I get a check out?
Are you all tangled up?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Can you check count for an Amber Osborne?
Come on. No, my name's not Amber.
Alright, well, whatever.
My name is not.
You guys are
Stop
familiar with
grabbing
it?
my-
Oh, we'll go that way then.
Don't touch the coat.
Amber. Okay.
That's
Go
not
that
my
way.
name.
Okay.
Why are you calling me that?
I am.
Because that's your name.
That's not my
Alright,
name.
alright. Come on.
No, that scares me.
Which way you going? You coming?
Ow! Ow! That's not my name! Ow!
Receive, we'll have another one of those charges.
Alright. You're gonna get an assault charge. You cannot call people a name that they're not.
Okay.
Okay.
Call 911 right now for an assault.
Alright.
Call 911 right now for an assault so I can arrest you for assault. I want all three of you guys arrested for assault.
Okay.
She's got a couple felonies.
Someone call 911. Please call 911 to arrest you for an assault. Can you call 911 to arrest you for an assault?
Listen.
I do not want you touching me like that again.
Amber.
I did not touch you. You cannot touch me first. I want you in jail right now, or I'll in jail right now.
Can someone let Ashley out?
On your knees.
I want you in jail right now. Ow, I'm sorry.
Alright.
Sorry, it's
Lie
over.
still, okay? Can you get a blanket and stuff for me? Amber, just lie still and you'll be just fine, okay?
My name is not Amber.
Alright, whatever it is then. What's your name then? What name do you want us to use?
She's been calling me herself, Anna.
Amber,
Oh, Amber.
you gonna listen?
No.
You're not gonna
No, I
listen.
am going to listen. I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm not going to move. I promise.
The woman was taken into custody and charged with theft, resisting arrest, and obstruction. What are your thoughts on how the police handled this situation? Feel free to share your comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.